Oh, what is that capsule thing? I should open it up. Oh, hi. Today I'm gonna be opening this farm animals capsule things. So it grows on water. I'm so excited to open this up. Let's go ahead and open this up. I can't wait. Well, alright. I already have water in my house, and my house is not really far, so I'm gonna get one. Ooh, these are so cool. I'm gonna dip them in water right now. Here is the water. Oh yeah, let's experiment. Alright, so first I'm gonna dip the yellow one. I'm so excited. Wait a minute. We're gonna take the capsule off. Are you gonna take... Alright, let's dip that in water. See what it does. Alright, let's see the next one. Let's dip all of them in. Whoa. These capsules are kind of fun. We're going to be doing an experiment. I love experiments. Love science so much. Love doing crazy things because my hair's crazy. That's why I'm so in love with art. You know, experiments. Hey, it's still not growing. When it's gonna grow? Alright. Put the blue in. Ooh. The yellow one, the first one is like a rabbit. Oh, I dipped the red, kind of like, yeah. There we go. Next one. Ooh, so excited. I'm gonna do an experiment. You know, guys, I'm gonna tell something, a secret from me. I don't really know if I'm a girl or a boy. Sometimes I'm speaking like Abel Jacob. Sometimes I'm speaking like a girl. But I don't really know what I am, a girl or a boy. Ooh, one grew. Actually, guys, that looks like a rabbit. Alright, let's put the red in. This is so fun. Oh, there's one more left. Ooh. One more left. Alright, guys, leave down in the comments which one of these is, oh, wait a minute. Oh, is this done? Kind of looks like a rabbit or something. Is this done? It looks pretty like a rabbit. Look. Oh, scissor. This is the first one. So cool. It's a foam, actually. You can squeeze it. It's like a sponge, a miniature size sponge, something. Alright, let's take the whole one out. Ooh, super, super, duper cool. Alright, guys, I don't know if this is done. I think it's still not. Oh, is this an octopus? This is the second one. An octopus. Wait a minute, is this an octopus? Oh, it's a cow. That's cool. Oh, we've got a dolphin here. Did the dolphin? It looks like a dolphin. It should be a dolphin. Alright, let's see the next one. So this is the next one. This is like a thing or something. Alright, guys, I have a checklist here. I forgot. Oh. Alright, so this is the checklist. I don't know. Who do we got? I don't really know. So, yeah. This is the third one. I mean, this is like, oh, this should be a cow. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's dip the next one. Oh, what is this? It's so, maybe it's a turtle. Cool. Alright. A cow. A goat. This is a goat. Let's see. Like a goat. I don't know. Maybe it's a goat. Maybe this one. What is this? Alright, guys. Maybe it's a turkey or something. Looks like a turkey. This one's a turtle. It's a turtle. And another octopus. There's an octopus. Wait a minute. Oh, this is a tiger. Cool. The other one. Oh, this is another goat. Cool. Alright, so really hope you enjoy. It's so much pony in here. I mean, look at this. They're all foam. You can kind of pretend they're spongy. Sponge it up. Alright. Oh, backwards. Alright, bye.